In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open external links in Figma Prototype. Adding external links to your Figma prototypes can significantly enhance their realism and functionality, allowing your users to interact with actual web pages or resources outside of your design. This is especially useful for demonstrating integrations, linking to terms and conditions, or simply showing how a button might navigate to a live website. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll need a clickable element in your Figma design. For this demonstration, we'll start by adding a simple text layer to your canvas. Once you have your text or any other element you wish to link, select it. With your element selected, navigate to the top right corner of your Figma interface. You'll see several tabs there, including Design, Prototype, and Inspect. We need to switch over to the Prototype tab. This is where all the magic happens for bringing your designs to life with interactions. Clicking on Prototype will change the panel on the right, revealing options related to flows, connections, and interactions. Now that you're in the Prototype panel, locate the Interactions section. This is typically found near the top of the right sidebar. You'll see a plus icon next to Interactions. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to add a new interaction to your selected element. This will open a small pop-up or drop-down menu where you can define the specifics of your interaction. By default, it might suggest an on-click trigger, which is exactly what we need for opening a link. However, you can also explore other triggers like on-drag or while hovering if your use case requires it. But for an external link, on-click is the most common and intuitive choice. With the interaction panel open, ensure the trigger is set to on-click. Then, for the action, click on the drop-down menu that usually says Navigate to or Open Overlay by default. From this list of options, you'll want to select Open Link. Once you choose Open Link, a new field will appear, prompting you to enter URL. This is where you'll paste the full web address of the external site you want your prototype to open. Make sure to include the https/ or https prefix to ensure the link is properly formatted and functional. For instance, if you wanted to link to a popular search engine, you would paste https www.google.com here. Double-check that the URL is correct to avoid any broken links in your prototype. Finally, to see your new external link in action, you'll need to preview your prototype. Look for the Play button, which typically resembles a triangle icon, usually located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. Clicking this will launch your prototype in a new tab or window. Once your prototype loads, navigate to the element you configured with the external link. Go ahead and click on it. You should observe that your browser opens a new tab, directing you to the URL you specified. This is your cue that the external link has been successfully integrated into your Figma prototype. Always test thoroughly to ensure everything works as intended, especially when dealing with external resources.